a country called Ghana and a party a friend NDC a muni penina a chimney to say dry.
I was from a million Amakwaba at the Ghana and Sem TV so. But I'm this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time. Videos of this nature about also sabit my cabin. So watch your comment section. Maybe we from Mr. President and Major so TikTok or comment section or by be from Mr. President and Major so. You need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to I'm more ready. The need to sit down and say man we need that to be na the be a mekasim be say amanya some ye no. So what money under wa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin chankra, mommy enko. Yenko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President and here. Women commerce is here.
For a country called Ghana. A country called Ghana and a party a friend NDC a muni penina a chimney to say dry. A country called Ghana and a party a friend NDC. A muni penny na drain a ya kete to say drea yen to main drain. I a cofa amatel as I will make dream mom. Nanka atoyenchem esi. Not nipa e woo. A japadi as say Ghana for a 2 mona abeserie. Aja Joan Crofosun. Na president mbeka yentia was say ye sit down e dey see enso ano e bra president enra ya wo opposition program no e ka say a technical issue a sanitation issue na ye tuma wa 2 years when to me am yi gotemu amfa sanity antun hihye ama enso afa wo wo san sori ya wasa akotena helicopter so enam wiem say wo hwe wo beye den hu helicopter no so no how can you feel their pain? Ubaton suomwa, ube trense munko sasa waletin butim mreme na menche, anase munko fa helicopter mreme na mentina so nko he ubaton freo. Kwasia ni ujimie wadwene kete te se dwie. Ah? Black Stars no so mo the World Cup na ba. Ana omo fa mae, omo wini cup na mae. Omo wini World Cup na mae. Mo diska, mo kofa coach me coach Black Stars a. Mo kofa Otuado da be na oye coach. Otuado o manage team anase oye coach. Mo me che Ghana fo sike ni na mo kofa Otuado bae. Wa be say team no pasa. La show na mukofa broni by mo broni by too much is mo wa ye dwuma papa nanso enam proye ne kan wa resign proye sike die enu nti wa resign broni mpefin o broni emma won corrupt no enti na wa resign mo fa na mo nchenwe echimefo ntwamo atesemo
ire asema esi enrano obia ayogo nipa ewu niema asei baba na hu dia esi wa enya asem ketwa na sede coordinator kan no enya hankwa na esi bibre na nipa bibre na abeka and I make us a mint in a fear. Miss Maba, my barber who they see, and my chicken more. Now, my mamma shedding. Now, we did a Ghana for in a problem. Into just saying, you know, a kaboom. Now, yet me who acquire ever faso, and Masadi and Babu. Into in a kaboom, I yes, argument. Say mudi bibi to enim nipa bi omuni eduane ndipo omuni atade enhye minu ebai obewo la oko hospital problems no dos meso meye ade kakra meso metimi aye aboamo na meso my country abai say almost embremu na omobaboa me sure say omobaba na we dey serious pa na if you say ye state of emergency mpo a yen declare state of emergency na yen fa we nyina embeye na mayen mu nyina na yemishira mu na mede nyame ebeja mu nyina mede muaso ebeba na ebema medamo ase.
This is the real definition of a good leader. Good leader, ekwatibia ne manfo tim na wakwahye omon kran na wa de obetu na ho de betumi aye na de abeboa. Mahama de wo suro se obeti atechem. Wo suro se obekwatibia manfo wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money e na ye di tua uka. Ghana for one my yensensi form papa. One my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya daje ko sell lie eto Amasaman because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. E ma wu jade atamos ewu ye. Ye disa show nsama wo buye. Wo wie wo se wo nye president da. E ma ye vote ma wo ma obedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se who betwa 12 good years. Who to me nyehwe. Who promises and kukwan ketenkete omo adwane and confirm a wodi buy omo kọ Burkina. Koko fu a who promise omo se obetu ebula ama koko farmers bia who buy wa beti koko no so ewum. Won san so ntuaka we firi omo koko wodi omo ka. Wo buy wo see agenda 111 ye hu hwe afi na wo see market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wom ye nti ase wo be sori e na we see market ne bathroom wo he efiri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edidada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri so nyame nsan ni oso. Won kwa uba power. Mun kwa mu party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mu party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mu party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di wechi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esu bi mbada o
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports say hwe Black Stars afi Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na wonu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto ebi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nyehwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi tatatata nso tonshina baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency. Oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is we because of time. But those ones it really go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right too. But because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, "Yeah, hospital and the go sana no me say." It is a Kenyan who say na no me na be ya. It is a scan kan kan dey wasa botumi who say, "Oh, I mean say we say people for happen for." Name ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what the hospitals na mo so mo ya happen for. A comfort ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors mo so mo ya happen for. You say anya Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo keke mo kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nko ma ntum with the greatest of respect. Omo nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Politicians nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nko ma ntum ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntum ne nko nyina ho. 2020 do then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de sebi ye bibia yan kitinkiti ya adwen kitinkiti ye bibia ye bia invest square yan kitinkiti. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open kitinkiti. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open kitinkiti. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Na ne yete ne nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu akire me na wo ne wo si akire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Rajon Dramani ma so o mema us come to mutu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Rajon Dramani mama ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka chom say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay ne beto aba na ma bum mo to aba ma kinki government etimi
Say die ko ye kra de menu now to me hu letter bi a yoko for tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me say fiam Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true.
Onya Juma order.
Onya Juma or da. And Onya Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.